Hi everyone, Amanda Rizzo here, just giving you some instruction on how to access your email account as well as Microsoft Teams. These two applications are going to be the most important for orientation, which will begin on September 8th. And that is the date that every NSCC student will be getting their programs straight across the province. So, I'm just going to walk you through this process. If anybody does need some additional support or if something isn't working, just let me know, and you can do that by calling the Achieve cell phone or texting or sending me an email, and I will do my best to support you over the phone. So with that, the first step you're going to do is open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. I believe Internet Explorer and Mozilla will also work here if those are the ones that you're using. And then I'm going to go to the NSCC website, www.nscc.ca. Then I'm going to take my mouse and hover it over this little login with the little lock on the right-hand side. And if you see the fourth one down is Office 365, I'm going to click on that. And now I am in the homepage of Microsoft Office, and I'm going to click Sign In. So it already has all of my information populated in here. So you probably won't have this. You'll have to manually put it in. And what you're putting in here is your W number or your student ID. And that should have been sent to you. And after your student ID, so it's W, whatever your student ID number is, at campus, campus.nscc.ca. Okay, so that will be your login to get into Office 365 from home. Then you all should have been given a temporary password, and it probably went to whatever email we had on file for you. So that's the password you would also use to log in here. Now, if you changed your password, which it does prompt you to do when you're first logging into everything, then you would use that password. But if this is your very first time logging in, then you would use your temporary password. So now I'm going to click Sign In. And I am going to just hit yes here because this is my personal computer and no one else is going to be using it. But you can click no if this is a shared computer that you're using. And so once you see all of these apps right here, the ones that are going to be the most important is Outlook, which is your email. And if you go back up here, you'll get those apps again. The other important app is Microsoft Teams, which you can get. Here it is right here. So Microsoft, it just says Teams in this little bar right here. And I'm going to click on that. If it's going to automatically, oh, maybe it won't. Okay, so it might ask you to get the Windows app. I would recommend doing that if you're on your own computer. But if you're not, you can use the web app instead. So your screen might look a little different than mine, just because you might not have as many channels as me. But you should see this one, the Achieve Program Class of 2020-2021. This is where our classes will be happening. So, and if you click on Amanda's class, and what I'd like for everybody to do is just log in, maybe say something in here, just so I know that you've logged in and you've accessed everything okay. All right, if anybody has any questions or has any trouble at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, folks, and I hope you enjoy your weekend.